Hey guys, welcome back to another one. Today I am going to talk about how to share Google Drive files link. If you have a complete folder or if you have a just single picture, how you can share a link or copy the link of a file or a folder. Is it very simple? But first of all, I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips and Google Drive tricks. Open your Google Drive. If you already uploaded that folder, file or picture in your Google Drive, then you just need to share the link. If you don't, then first of all click on plus addition button, then upload your file that you want to share with anyone, audience or friend. Alright, I already have uploaded that picture on my Google Drive, so just open it. After opening it, you can see here these the shortcuts. That mean I already shared these photos with the public. I already shared these files link. So I go back and click on another picture like this one. I want to share this picture. I want to share this picture link. So how you can copy the file or the picture link and share? Go back, just go to click on three dots, then copy the link. Alright, then you can share the link with anyone. But one most important thing, you should need to make the link to public. But how you can? So click on three dots, then manage access. After manage access, there option restricted, click on that. Restricted, click on that, then change it to anyone with the link. All right, once you update the restriction, then go back. You updated the permission, go back, then again copy the link like here, copy link, then share the link with anyone. I hope it's helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.